Hi, I'm Tori. If you're wondering how to use Paperless Post, you're in the right place. Today, I'll teach you how to manage your guests for any event. Let's start with the tracking page. Paperless Post RSVPs work in real time, and guest responses are filtered by category: attending, regrets, and not yet replied. You can also see delivery status, including sent, opened, and bounced. If you sent your invitation via a link, you can track RSVPs, but not opens. If you asked your guests questions with your invitations, you'll be able to see their responses too. If you realize your guest list is missing someone, you can send them an invitation by clicking the blue Add Guests button on the top right. For larger events, guest tags make it easy to organize guests. Use the column under guest tags to enter whatever tag you want, like family or friends. You can use that tag to label anyone on your guest list. Want to follow up with guests and send a reminder? You can send private messages to individuals or broadcast to a group. Use one of our message templates or write your own. If you're hoping to maximize your guest list, we have a few tips. 1. Send an RSVP or event reminder. 2. For unopened invitations, resend it to a particular guest with a personalized link, or email yourself a copy of their invitation to forward onto them. 3. Create a shareable link and send via email, text, or social media. Okay, it's party time. Everyone's RSVP'd, but who's actually showing up? You can use the Paperless Post app to check guests in at the door. No spreadsheets needed. Tracking check-ins will be helpful when the time comes to send thank you notes. Say thank you to your guests via a broadcast message from your tracking page, or even send a suggested hashtag for guests to post with their pictures from the event on social media. To learn more about how to use Paperless Post, check out our other videos from this series. Have a question? Feel free to contact our customer operations team or leave a comment on YouTube. See you next time.